To another Flutter tutorial. In today's episode, let's learn how to add multiple widgets using the row widget. Row widget allows you to display a list of widgets in a horizontal manner. So to get started, let's create a new widget. Again, let's go inside of this widgets folder and create a new file. Call this row underscore widget dart. Then inside of this file, start typing stl for stateless widget. Select this option and just start typing row, and you will see this option row widget. Instead of returning this placeholder, let's return now a row widget. A row widget is an inverse of column widget. It allows you to display widgets in a horizontal line. Working with row widget and column widget, we do it the same way as we work with Flexbox in web development. You can only specify one direction to lay out your widgets. So if you hover over this row widget, you will see we have basically the same properties as we did with the column widget. We have right here the children, we have the main axis alignment, main axis size, and cross axis alignment, and the other properties. For this video, let's create a few container widgets, and we will define the color and the width and the height for those containers. So for the color, let's call the colors class dot. Let's use this amber. And then for the width, let's say 100 pixel, and for the height, also 100 pixel. Give it a comma, then copy this container, paste it again, and now let's change the color to be blue accent, and then let's change the height to be 200. Let's paste it again, and now let's change the color to be green, and then the height this time will be 400 pixel. Let's just format our document, and then come right here in home.dart. Instead of calling this column widget, now let's call this row widget. Make sure this row widget is being imported right here, and then just save. If you get this error, come right here, save it, and you can see now we have 3 container widgets displaying in a horizontal manner. So here, if you want to control the alignment, you can use the main axis alignment, the cross axis alignment. But this will be the reverse of this column widget. For that, just let me drag and drop a row image right here inside of my assets folder. As you can see, the main axis is the direction that we are laying out these widgets. So for the row will be from the left to the right side, and the cross axis will be from the top to the bottom. So if you come right here, let's say the main axis alignment, and now call the main axis alignment dot, and let's say now use the end value, save, and this will place at the end. You can use center, save, or you can use space between, and the few other options like space evenly and so on. But when you are using the cross axis alignment, this will take the cross axis alignment, and on dot, let's use now start, and you can see the widgets will be placed at the top. And if you use the end, this will not be placed at the bottom of your screen, but by the height defined by the tallest widget inside of your row. So when you create a row widget, this won't fill the container, but the height will be defined by the tallest widget inside of this list. You can also override it using this stretch it, and this will fill the container. So this is how you can work with the row widget. Let's use this start. As you can see, you apply the same properties that we use in the column widgets right here, but only the direction of this main axis and the cross axis are different. So this is it for this video. In the upcoming video, you will learn how to add space. Let's say if you don't want to apply these properties, you will learn how to work with another widget to add space between each item inside of your column widget or your row widget. This widget is the size box. If you find this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Flutter videos. See you on the next one.